Well, here we go. This is as far as I've got, and I think I'm not going to go any further. I think I'm happy with it as it is. I've got another one of these kits coming, which I'm going to make a better job of. The rear suspensions, I think that some other models have mentioned, are very, very weak. And so next time I do it, I think I'll use super glue to actually glue the wheels on, because it's just so inflexible. So you want to keep it as is. Now I've just pushed the wheels in, this one over this side. You see what I mean? So I like the kit. I will paint it differently inside. I will do completely white inside, and the windscreen on the front is basically larger than the normal windscreen. If I put this next to a normal kit, you can see it. So I'm not going to carry on doing any weather. I did put a bit of spray over it so it looks as if it's dusty, and that was using varnish, believe it or not, to get, because I wanted it to still be see-through. So that's it really for this build, and disappointed with the rear, but I've learned something with this kit, how to build it a bit better, and I think I'm quite pleased with it in that way. So it's a Kubelwagon collection, but I might try and get these wheels off and use super glue to actually get it line up and stay there, and so that's the weak part of this kit as well. Anyway, so I'll stop it now, and that's where she is now, and hopefully you've enjoyed the build process and the spraying earlier on, but the next one I will definitely do slightly different. So there you go. I've got the track version of this, and I know we're going to have a problem with that because it's the same suspension at the back where you put all those resin 3D printed tracks on. So I've got to use a bit of super glue there as well, and of course with being resin you will need to do that. So right, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and look after yourselves in this dodgy world we live in, and I'll catch you on my next build, which I've already started, which is the 1/16 tack on Jeep. So that's it going on, and I'm still doing my Agostini builds as well. So, and I've got some 4 videos up now. One's coming out today, and showing the progress on that. Anyway, so thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy modelling everyone, and stay safe.